Starting around the 19th of June 2023, Dogecoin especially is exchanging at 6 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.61% in especially most recent 1 hour in a quite enormous manner. Doge sort of has an especially complete market cap of $8,732,336,532 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $170,528,450, showing how starting around the 19th of June 2023 Dogecoin most certainly is exchanging at 6 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.61% in absolute most recent 60-minute, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. This generally makes Dogecoin lovely positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market, which sort of is very critical in the event that you essentially are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin fundamentally be really worth in 2023 in an extremely significant manner? Is Dogecoin a wise speculation or all things considered, worth purchasing in 2023 in an unpretentious way? Will Doge cost explicitly outperform its untouched high, which most certainly is very huge? These explicitly are our Dogecoin cost expectations for Doge's future, which by and large is genuinely huge. Dogecoin value expectation 2023 as per the Dogecoin figure cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Doge value sort of is supposed to cross a genuinely normal value level of 8 cents. The normal genuinely least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the sort of current year ought to especially be 7 cents, which truly is genuinely huge. Besides, Doge can in every way that really matters arrive at an essentially greatest value level of 8 cents, or so they explicitly thought. Doge value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Dogecoin truly is estimated to be at around a genuinely least worth of 6 cents, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The Dogecoin value worth can sort of arrive at a kind of limit of 6 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 6 cents in USD, which explicitly is very huge. Dogecoin value estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the cost of Dogecoin sort of is supposed to by and large be at around a truly least of 6 cents, showing how in the event that you fundamentally are a crypto financial backer and considering what most certainly is the Dogecoin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogecoin in every practical sense be especially worth in 2023 amazingly? Dogecoin cost can explicitly arrive at a truly limit of 7 cents with the exceptionally normal cost of 6 cents in USD, showing how this truly makes Dogecoin most certainly positioning at 8 in the cryptographic money market, which in every way that really matters is very huge. Doge value gauge August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of Dogecoin generally is gauged to especially be at around a base worth of 6 cents, or so they explicitly thought. The Dogecoin value worth can in every way that really matters arrive at a kind of limit of 7 cents with the sort of typical exchanging worth of 7 cents in USD in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 6 cents and 7 cents in an especially enormous manner, while the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around 7 cents in a genuinely large manner. Dogecoin value expectation October 2023. Dogecoin cost truly is supposed to explicitly reach between 7 cents to 7 cents in October 2023, while the in every practical sense normal cost of Doge for the October most certainly remains around 7 cents. Doge value figure November 2023. Concerning November 2023, Dogecoin in a real sense is supposed to truly arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of 7 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The Doge cost could basically arrive at a sort of most extreme cost of 8 cents with the typical cost around 7 cents, or so they thought. Dogecoin cost expectation December 2023. Dogecoin cost fundamentally is supposed to for the most part reach between 7 cents to 8 cents in December 2023, while the really normal cost of Doge for the December by and large stays around 8 cents. Dogecoin sort of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Dogecoin cost especially has shown a very decent increment of 1.17% in the genuinely most recent 24 hours, or so they basically thought. From kind of most recent 7 days, the Doge truly was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 1.7%, exhibiting that Dogecoin value expectation September 2023. The cost for Dogecoin in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of 6 cents and 7 cents in a very large manner. Dogecoin especially has shown areas of strength for especially potential recently, and this could be somewhat great chance to generally dive right in and contribute, or so they in a real sense thought. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of Doge sort of diminished by 34.231%, dispensing with an incredible in every practical sense normal amount of 3 cents from its kind of current worth, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. This unexpected down certainly implies that the coin generally is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be an especially decent especially purchase a potential open door for extremely speedy speculation. Showing how Dogecoin value expectation October 2023. Dogecoin cost truly is supposed to reach between 7 cents to 7 cents in October 2023, while the typical cost of Doge for the October basically remains around 7 cents. Doge value figure November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Dogecoin truly is supposed to generally arrive at an especially least value worth of 7 cents, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. The 90 days cost change for the most part is near 27.70%, and the cost in a real sense circled from a sort of least extremely normal cost of 8 cents to kind of greatest kind of normal cost of 8 cents and specific beyond 90 days, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Dogecoin in a real sense is somewhere near 12.64%, with the kind of greatest kind of normal cost of the coin basically was around 7 cents and the kind of least sort of normal cost of essentially was around 7 cents, certainly beyond 4 months. So Dogecoin value expectation 2023 is per the Dogecoin gauge cost and specialized examination. In 2023 the Doge value sort of is supposed to explicitly cross a kind of normal value level of 8 cents. The normal for the most part least value worth of Dogecoin toward the finish of the truly current year ought to by and large be 7 cents, or so they really thought. Dogecoin value figure 2023 FAQs. What will essentially be Dogecoin kind of worth in 2023, or so they sort of thought. The Doge value sort of is determined to in a real sense arrive at a kind of most extreme degree of 8 cents with especially least cost of 7 cents toward the finish of 2023, which explicitly is very huge. Does Dogecoin in a real sense have a future in a fundamentally enormous manner? As far as value, Dogecoin certainly has an exceptional truly potential to in every practical sense arrive at new levels. So Dogecoin value expectation October 2023. Dogecoin cost basically is supposed to generally reach between 7 cents to 7 cents in October 2023, while the extremely normal cost of Doge for the October stays around 7 cents. Doge value gauge November 2023. With respect to November 2023, Dogecoin explicitly is supposed to explicitly arrive at an exceptionally least value worth of 7 cents, or so they sort of thought. It basically is estimate that Doge will increment in esteem and in every practical sense, enormous way, as per especially unambiguous specialists and business examiners. Dogecoin can especially stir things up around town the greatest cost of $2.66 till 2030 in an unobtrusive manner. Is Dogecoin really worth purchasing in 2023, which certainly is genuinely huge? Dogecoin's worth for the most part is supposed to really keep on extending, as lack will in general essentially energize cost rise, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. If it's not too much trouble, note, there truly is a gamble to any venture, in every practical sense. Further appearance how do GE value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023 the cost of Dogecoin certainly is gauged to for the most part be at around an essentially least worth of 6 cents, which sort of is genuinely huge. Only generally put resources into what you can by and large achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and lead the extremely greatest examination conceivable.